Hi everyone. It's been quite a while since my last posting. Time does truly fly. So last July I sent Tracy Phillips a custom MRE, and this has a postmark of 12/28/21. So it took him a while to send me back something. So this represents the completed trade. So sometimes this MRE hobby does move at a glacial speed. So I guess without further ado, let's see what I got from Tracy. Today is a great spring day. Well, we'll call it spring day. It's like 70 degrees out. Okay, here we go. This thing weighs 5 pounds 7 ounces. Alright. Get rid of that. Got a little note here from Tracy. Mark, sorry it took so long to send your package off. I didn't find what I was looking for till after Christmas. Hope you enjoyed, Tracy. Alright. Ooh, this is interesting. I got a chicken Creole Chef 5-minute meal MRE meal kit, reduced sodium. Got a lot of odds and ends in there. That's cool. I think I've seen 1 or 2 videos with these, but not this particular menu. Ooh, this is heavy. Let's see what we have here. Hey, hey, hey. Stutzman's Pantry Blackberry Jalapeno Jam. A product from Belleville, Arkansas. Excellent. Excellent. Some local cuisine. And this is my first Canadian ration. Beans and wieners from 19, menu number 1. Excellent. Okay, here we go. That's great. All right, lovely. That was my first completed trade from somebody in the MRE community, and I'm very happy with this. So I will see you guys later. So out of the corner of my eye, I saw the mailman heading to my house. And you know my doggies just love him, so I wrapped up the unboxing without giving Tracy my gratitude for letting me into the MRE community officially with this ration trade. So thank you, Tracy, for your efforts and generosity. I appreciate it very much. See you all soon. Bye-bye.